Hey, welcome back to Life's a Bag. I am so glad to have you here. Please make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that you can get updated on future posts and videos. So as you remember, possibly if you're returning, I teased this box in my last video. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing today. This is the very first bag that I have been gifted by my husband, so that's exciting. Hopefully not the last. This is how the receipts come. And without any further ado, here she is. This is the Neverfull Inside Out. Now I have to give a little homage of sorts to Amelia Rose's Closet because obviously this was in the Christmas packaging and my husband gave it to me for Christmas, and I'm just now opening it because I also have something along the lines of a corner of shame. So here's the label and the tag, in case you want to purchase it. So a little bit about the Neverfull Inside Out. A lot of people, so the Neverfull was first released in 2007, and then in 2014 they came out with it and they offered it with a pouch. And then in 2024 they came out with Inside Out. And it's iconic, right? I mean, you can't think of Louis Vuitton without thinking of the Neverfull. And a lot of people were like, well, big deal that, you know, it can go inside out. The old one could go inside out too. And to that, I say, yes, that is true. However, there are a few important parts about this bag that you really need to know before you count her out or judge her as being you know, phoning it in type thing for Louis Vuitton. So I got the pink Pondicherry, they say. I had the yellow on my list, but my boutique didn't have the yellow. And when I tried her on, she was so cute. And I will go ahead and insert a picture from the try-on. And I really liked it in the picture. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So an important thing about the Inside Out is that they've actually put leather around the inside. Now on the normal regular ones, this is just fabric. So it does have a reinforced bottom, and it's like the empreinte leather to help keep it safe. It's got everything else is, you know, normal as you would expect. It's got the nice pocket. And then the piece de resistance, if you will, for the Neverfull Inside Out, that literally no one else has noticed. It took me over a year before I made the realization myself. It's not that hard, I'm just being proper and cautious. I think it honestly displays just how easy it is to get it flipped inside out. So, if you're a Louis Vuitton lover and follower, bag lover, whatever, if you're a Neverfull owner or a former Neverfull owner, I want you to think very quickly about what was the most annoying thing for you about the Neverfull. And it was, right, that it was just this little clip to close it and everything could fall out. But what not one single person has paid attention to is that the very clips intended to give it that shape from these pull ties can clip in 3 different places, making it more closed and more secure. Not one single person has mentioned this. And that to me is just really cool, and I don't even know if they realized it, you know, at Louis Vuitton when they designed it. I'd like to think they did, but who knows. So then it comes with the strap. You don't get a pouch with the Inside Out, but honestly, I don't really care for the pouches. Every time I try to use one, it gets all wonky. So it's the empreinte leather on the one side and then the monogram canvas on the other. And you can put it on like this. Technically, you can crossbody, and I'll put in mod shots. You can crossbody with the strap. However, I have another strap that is just kind of my default extra strap that goes really well with my Damier Ben bags. So I wanted to try it on here. I think it'll give us a better overall crossbody result. And it's just from a generic bag because it doesn't all have to be designer and it doesn't all have to match. So I just have it at its longest point. So that's, I mean, that's awesome. That is so awesome. That that worked out way better than I even thought it would. So the shoulder and crossbody option gives you a little bit more versatility in terms of use, because a lot of people are not big fans of the shoulder straps, and I think it's also more size inclusive to ladies that have bigger arms, such as myself. I have this sweater is ridiculously thick, so I can get it on there. Is it terribly comfortable? No, but again, you know, you have the options. So I want to thank you again for coming to Life's a Bag and unboxing this awesome Christmas gift with me. And I'm very excited to get to use it. I never could get myself to buy the Neverfull, so those are like the perfect gifts, right? The ones you won't buy yourself. So thank you again for coming. I'm glad to have you here. Please do, like I said, like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. It helps my little channel tremendously, and it'll help you get notified when I post things. I don't really have a set schedule, and I'm finishing up grad school this semester, so I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.